to Pretty DIYs. Today I will be showing you how to make some Easter decor, so stay tuned. Also, these are the products that you will need. So for the first DIY, I will be taking this material and I'll be gluing it to this jar. Both of these jars were previously I had candles in them. So once the candle burned out, I just saved the jar and I decided to use it for a DIY. So that's one way that you don't have to spend money. You can just use what you have. I already had the fabric and I just added some foam to the middle, to the inside, and I secured it with some hot glue. So I'm just going to glue this to the jar so I can give this jar a different look. So now I'm going to add the little bunny inside the jar, and I'm gonna add a little flower to the bunny just to give it an extra touch, and then I'm also going to add a pearl onto the flower. So at this time, I'm just gonna add a little, even though the bunny has a little sparkle on it, I just want a little more glitter. So at this time I'm doing that. I'm just adding a little glitter, or I've already added the glitter. And then now I'm just gonna add some greenery, because it gives it a little something more, makes it look a little more springy. So I'm gonna add some greenery, plus it also hides the foam, so I'll be adding some greenery as well. Also, I'll be adding some little Easter eggs, and with the Easter eggs I just put some tulle over it and then added a little more glitter on it. Even though things that I may buy from the Dollar Tree have glitter on them, I like a certain type of glitter, so sometimes I'll add my own glitter to it. And right now I'm just gluing on the greenery, and basically I just cut this off of flowers that I already had. So I'm just gluing that on now, and then I'm also adding some little flowers to the bottom to give it that extra Easter touch, springtime vibes. So that's what I'm doing now. And for my next DIY, I will be adding, I already put the foam inside of the jar, so I'm gonna add some fabric over the jar, and then I'll be adding some flowers to make a little small, cute little flower arrangement. gonna add a little egg, one of the little Easter picks. I'm adding that now, and I've also sprinkled it with a little more glitter. I'm gonna put a little pearl on the top of the egg. And then I'm just adding a little finishing touches to it. A few more flowers. I'm also adding a little glitter to the flowers just to give them a little sparkle. And I'm pretty much done with this DIY. Let me know in the comments if you like these DIYs. I know this video is a little later than I wanted to get it out. I wanted to get it out sooner, but you know, things in life sometimes get in the way of what you want to do, but I still was determined to get this video out. So just let me know if you enjoyed this and consider subscribing to my channel and join the family. Thanks for watching.